isda sa lake.
But I fished today. This salmon I fished today.
Yeah. Ayan ang isda. Kameraman si Mary mga unan niya. Si John dili na mukha unan niya ako. Kameraman duha. Mga ano sa isda. Do you like that ban? Show on me also. Fish na. Aslan don't eat this one.
I do. But I save it for you. Because I didn't get so many. It was not so good fishing today. For that, it's only for Desiree and Mary. So they can have a good fresh fish that I have been fishing.
Salmon is the name on this fish. Salmon.
Yeah, the Norwegian name is not salmon. That is ørret. But ørret and salmon is laks in Norway.
Okay.
But this is a fish that is only living in fresh water. Salmon can also live in salt water, but not this fish. Only in a lake, freshwater lake. I was a little bit lucky today. I was the only one that was getting fish. Jan get nothing. Inge nothing.
Not Inge.
No,
Terje.
was not getting any fish. Only me was getting the fish today. So I was lucky.